Hi, welcome to Pearl's World. This is our little cute dog design glass case. This one is leather and handmade. Good details, good quality. To open the top, they have the zip. Open it. Got a lot of space. They fit in different design glass. This one can fit in. Still have a lot of space. You also can put your monies, your lipstick, more stuff inside. Yeah. And inside they have the special soft stuff to protect the glass. And also many people, they use like a pencil case. You can put like your pen here, more stuff, with your key, like a pencil case or a little purse as well. For this one, we have different design. Have like a butterfly and flower. Have a purple flower as well. Very nice. And a rose, pink rose. And then another one is a dragonfly and butterfly design. Thank you.